What if you could know who's about to sell their house before they even thought about calling a real estate agent? Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. It's math. And if you're still chasing random cold leads while other agents are quietly taking the sellers 3 months earlier, that's why your pipeline keeps stalling. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to use AI powered predictive prospecting to identify potential sellers in your market before your competitors even know they exist. And the best part is, you don't need to spend thousands on fancy data tools. I'll show you how to do it with what you already have. But there's one mistake most agents make when they start using predictive tools that actually kills conversion instead of creating them. So stick around because I'll show you what it is and how to fix it before it ruins your lead flow. And if you're serious about building a consistent pipeline and you want my direct help and support, kind of setting up these systems inside of your business for free, click the first link in the description and book a call with me and we'll go over it. And while you're here, if you want my free AI mini prospecting course that I've created personally that walks you through my top 3 predictive systems and the exact prompts to use, comment AI below and I'll get that to you. And also put in one key takeaway that you've gotten from this video so YouTube algorithm doesn't flag it as a spam comment. And I'll send that over to you, a full step-by-step training, so you can start turning your data into deals this week. All right, let's get into it. All right, let's talk about the problem first. So most agents are still playing the waiting game where, you're cold calling lists, you're paying for leads, you're hoping that someone clicks on your Zillow ad, but every single one of your future sellers is already showing digital signals that they're getting ready to move. And AI can find those signals faster than any other human can because that's what AI does. So think about it like this. Before someone sells, they start searching for home value estimates, school ratings, mortgage calculators, maybe even what's my home worth on Google. AI looks for those patterns across multiple data points and tells you exactly who's likely to list soon. That's what predictive prospecting is. Not just guessing, but reading intent, a mathematical equation. So here's where most people overcomplicate it. You do not need to be a NASA level, algorithm to do this thing. You just need 3 data sources. One is your existing database. This is your gold mine. Upload your sphere or past clients into an AI CRM like Follow Up Boss, KVCore, Lofty is a really good one. Then tag people who've recently clicked your emails, opened your market reports, or visited your listings online. Those behaviors are micro signals. If anyone can figure this out, it's AI. So if someone who has been cold suddenly opens up 5 emails in a week, something's up. Call them gently before any other agent does. Second source that you need is public data tools. Sites like PropertyRadar, Likely.ai, Revaluate analyzes, public behavior, the mortgage age, the online search activity, even insurance renewal patterns is what these softwares do. You can use free filters or local MLS data to target homeowners with more than 40% of equity who've owned their house 7+ years and that live within your top zip codes. That combo alone raises your odds for, a sell by over 60%. Now the third one, this is the big one. Third data source that you need is AI-powered neighborhood scans. Here's where ChatGPT comes in. And I also have another resource that I could share with you. Comment down below if you want it. It's called Manus. Making a whole video on how Manus works and a deep dive of Manus, but you can literally paste neighborhood data into ChatGPT, which most of us know how to use. I'm going to say something like this. Which homeowners in this area are statistically most likely to sell in the next 6 months and why? It'll identify patterns for you, price range, tenure, or even a demographic is, what's turning over fastest. Now that you know where to look, let's talk about how to approach these leads the right way, because this next part determines whether they trust you or they ghost you. Here's where 90% of the agents just blow it. They treat predictive leads like cold leads. If someone's showing early signs of selling, you can't just say like, "Hey, are you thinking about selling your home?" That's like you walking up to somebody stretching in the park and asking them if they're going to go for a run or run a marathon. Instead of that, use the value first approach. Reach out with a personalized insight. For example, "Hey, I noticed homes in the neighborhood are selling faster than last quarter. Do you want me to send you a quick 1-minute price update on your home?" No pressure, it's just curiosity. That soft touch opens the door because it gives them permission to keep talking. And then when they do list, they'll remember the one agent who didn't sound desperate. Here's your system in 3 simple steps. Write these down, pause the video, rewind, whatever you got to do. These are the 3 steps to make sure this works out for you. Step 1, track it. Pull your data from your CRM, public records, and your social engagement lists weekly. Step 2, tag. You're going to create a simple tag, a likely seller tag, for everyone and anyone matching those patterns. Step 3 is you're going to touch them. Add them to a 3-step nurture. So for example, this is just an example. We can personalize it together if you want to jump on a one-on-one call. Day 1 would be a quick check-in email just with a value offer only. Day 4 is a personalized video of you creating face-to-face of a market update. And then day 10 would be the 3rd touch. That's your handwritten note or text if you have their number. These 3 simple touches, each one human, each one relevant, all automated by your CRM. So that's predictive prospecting in action. It's smart, simple, and most importantly, scalable. If you want the full breakdown of the tools and the scripts I use, comment AI below and I'll send you my free mini course and predictive prospecting, including the copy paste ChatGPT prompts and the workflow templates that you can use and start using today. And tell me in the comments, would you rather call 100 random homeowners or 10 who are statistically ready to move? Exactly. Quality beats quantity every single time. The future of lead generation isn't louder, it's smarter. And the agents who learn to work with AI will dominate the ones that are still working off, the old school spreadsheets. So if you want my direct help and support setting this up in your business, from automating the research to writing your follow-up messages, click the first link in the description and book a free call. We'll build your predictive system so you can finally stop chasing leads and start attracting them. Because hey, in real estate, timing is everything. And now you can be the one who's always on time. I'll see you in the next video. Drop a comment down below.